Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to place pending orders on MetaTrader 5. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your MetaTrader 5 application on your computer. Once the platform loads, you'll see your main dashboard with various charts and trading tools available. Next, click on any chart you want to work with. This will bring that chart into focus and allow you to set up your pending order. The chart you select should represent the currency pair or asset you want to trade, so make sure you're choosing the right one for your trading strategy. Now look at the top toolbar of your screen. You'll see a button labeled New Order. Go ahead and click on it. This will open up the order placement window, which is where you'll configure all the details of your pending order. This window gives you complete control over how and when your trade will be executed. Once the order window opens, direct your attention to the left side of the screen. Here you'll see two main options, limit order and stop order. These are the two types of pending orders you can place in MetaTrader 5. A limit order allows you to buy below the current market price or sell above it, while a stop order lets you buy above the current price or sell below it. For this example, let's click on Limit Order to demonstrate how it works. After selecting Limit Order, you'll need to adjust the volume of your trade. In the volume field, enter your desired lot size. For instance, you could type 0.10. This determines how much of the asset you'll be trading and directly impacts your potential profit or loss, so choose a volume that fits your risk management strategy. Next, you need to adjust three critical parameters: the price, stop loss, and take profit. The price field is where you set the exact level at which you want your pending order to trigger. Your stop loss defines the maximum amount you're willing to lose if the trade goes against you, automatically closing the position to limit your losses. The take profit sets the level where you want to lock in your gains by automatically closing the trade when the price reaches your target. Take your time setting these values according to your trading plan. After you've configured all these settings, you'll see two buttons at the bottom, sell or buy. If you believe the price will go down from your entry point, click sell. If you think it will go up, click buy. Once you click either button, your pending order is placed and will execute automatically when the market reaches your specified price level. And that's it. You've successfully placed a pending order on MetaTrader 5. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.